Okay, I'm starting on my friend's 9. It's Pioneer 4 channel. The QX949. This was supposed to be restored when he bought it. Obviously, a lot of people have different ideas about what restored means, but there's been pretty much nothing done to this. Maybe they just meant cleaned up, but this receiver has a loud buzz in it constantly, and here is the power supply, which would be the first thing that you would modify or restore, recap for that matter, and that hasn't been touched. And I can tell you just by looking at it, I can see 3 bad capacitors already. Some of them are down in. Try to get some light on this if I can. But down in here, that one right next to that white resistor there. Let's see if I can point it out. See if I can get a screwdriver in there. There you go. That there, you can see the foil coming out of there already. And a few of them down here are already starting to swell. So I'm pretty sure we're going to find a lot of the problems right in that power supply circuit. But everything in here is still original. There's been nothing restored or recapped for that matter. It's a big job. Tons and tons of capacitors in here. And then up above, what we have is 4 channels of audio drivers that have to be recapped as well as a differential amp transistors replaced as a minimum. Here we have some more capacitors here that look like they're starting to fail as well, just by visual inspection. So I'm going to get started on this. I'm pretty sure we've got a power supply problem here. I'm going to recap this whole power supply here, and I'll take it from there. Pioneer QRX949 4 channel. Nice receiver, nice shape.